that log in that weird shape.
Yeah.
What's that direction?
I don't know. What's that?
So.
Yeah, look at the hanging glass up here.
the wall.
Hanging.
Okay, I'll do it.
It's so cool. Well, the ferns in the base.
What I meant, what was amazing to me is the fact that there's no pictures in there.
Lose what, honey?
Enough nutrients in the air. This is not.
Alright, this is what I came here for.